It's been a while since we met 2 weeks ago. During this time, I've been rereading the book Designing for Growth. So, today, I will be sharing a design thinking concept with you. Nowadays, sharing knowledge on social media platforms is very common, which enables you to access expertise more easily. You can learn almost all the lean tools from YouTube, or find more detailed work instructions on lean tools from books published more than 20 years ago. Therefore, implementing a lean tool will be relatively easy, but creating a lean system that suits the business setting would be an utter enigma for most change agents. You couldn't be successful in lean implementation only by replicating a lean system from another company that may have a different business context and even a different business model. Instead, you should design a system that corresponds with your business needs based on your understanding of lean and its toolkit. However, the problem is what design is and what the design process looks like. Here is a picture Tim Brennan created to describe design that may resonate with you when designing a new product, process, or system. To untangle the hairballs into a manageable process, Gene and Tim developed a design thinking, an iterative, non-linear process that enables managers, lean practitioners, and change agents, as design thinkers, to turn abstract ideas into practical applications for maximal business improvement and growth. The design process encompasses 10 tools dealing with 4 very basic questions, which correspond to the 4 stages of the process. Let's go through the stages one by one. All successful innovation begins with an accurate assessment of the present of current reality. We must step away from that crystal ball instead of reaching a conclusion immediately. To understand what the job is to be done by fruitful searches. What is stage explores current reality? Journey mapping, value chain analysis, and mind mapping will facilitate you in assessing the existing experience through the customer's eyes, generating insights from exploration activities, using those to create design criteria, and assessing the current value chain that supports the customer's journey. What if envisions a new future? We start to consider new possibilities, trends, and uncertainties, and many ideas begin to pop into our heads after understanding the baseline during the first stage. Using the information we got from what is stage, we'll formulate hypotheses about new possibilities. Then, we are looking for those that pack a potential wow that hit the sweet spot where the chance of a significant upside in customer value meets attractive profit potential by a what wow strategy calls out concepts down to a manageable number. After that, we need to take the concepts that have successfully passed through our screening process and translate them into something actionable. Rapid prototyping. This is the stage of what wows that makes some choices. What works takes us into the marketplace or puts the idea into practice. We'll try out a low-fidelity prototype and see how it goes. If it succeeds, we'll build a higher fidelity prototype of our idea. The widening and narrowing of the bands around each question represent what designers call divergent and convergent thinking. A very special design tool, visualization, is so fundamental to the way designers work that it shows up in virtually every stage in the process of designing for growth. You may be aware that it corresponds to the Lean Six Sigma, a D, M, A, I, C approach to a certain extent. Both are multi-stages approaches and follow a similar logic to deploy the process. Another practice is Lean 3P. Lean 3P is an event-driven cross-functional team process. Designing a product concurrently with manufacturing involves hands-on experimentation using physical models that emulate the product features or equipment. This rapid prototyping process is called tri-storming, a type of prototyping that takes ideas and quickly mocks them up so the designer can evaluate them physically. It is undeniable that this 4-step approach and its variations have been widely adopted in developing or improving the designs of products or processes. It is also beneficial for lean participants to design a lean system or implement a lean tool. It makes the design process to be manageable and replicable. That's all for today. We will look into details of Lean 3P in another videos. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.